owners of Summit Graphics in Auburn, Alabama, managing partner. We do our best to develop great relationships with our customers, provide a quality product and a timely finish.
Some days we're super busy and other days we're not quite as crazy, but most of the time for the several months leading up to football season, we were really busy.
But once we started this company, I kind of started doing a lot of different things. So I do a little bit of graphic design, a little bit of pre-production, a little bit of production with the presses.
Also operate all of the machines back here. So most of the time I'm back here printing and doing the things that the boys end up finishing off of that.
Our customers and what their needs are, what we can do better, and then I try to get out of here by about 3.